Hi, everyone. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake.
And this is Learn English with Jake and Emma.
Today, you'll learn simple English so you can talk about household chores.
And why Jake should never try to operate a vacuum cleaner during lunchtime. Or actually, anytime.
It wasn't my fault. That thing was too powerful. And clearly, it was set for attack mode.
Okay, buddy, if you say so. Household chores are the everyday tasks we do at home, like cleaning, cooking, laundry, and washing dishes.
And some of us are naturally gifted at avoiding these everyday tasks. As often as possible, anyway.
Yeah, Jake. That's a genuine talent you've got there.
Thank you very much. I work hard at not working hard.
Let's start with cleaning. Cleaning means making your home neat and tidy, like sweeping the floor, vacuuming, or wiping down the counters.
Vacuuming is dangerous.
It's dangerous? Come on, seriously?
Yes, one wrong move and the vacuum will try to gobble up the delicious, beautiful sandwich you just finished making for lunch.
Or maybe you just need to focus on one thing at a time, instead of being so distracted.
I was multitasking. You wouldn't understand.
You're right. I definitely do not understand. Cooking is another important chore. You can cook simple meals, like pasta, soup, or eggs.
I'm actually a great cook.
But making a delicious, beautiful sandwich for lunch doesn't count as actual cooking.
Oh, but let's not forget that I lovingly cooked a lasagna last week and invited you over for dinner.
Actually, I forgot that one on purpose.
Man, talk about ungrateful.
Jake, your lasagna turned out rock hard. And didn't you tell me you've actually been using that thing kind of like a step stool around your apartment?
Yes, which means everything worked out beautifully in the end. Now, I can reach those high-up kitchen cabinets without even getting on my tippy toes. Chef's kiss.
Laundry means washing and drying your clothes. You separate colors, put everything in the washing machine, add detergent, and start the cycle. After that's done, you put the clothes in the dryer, take everything out when it's finished, and then fold it or hang it up.
Laundry is easy. I just throw everything in the washer together. I mean, if you're stylish like me, you mix and match different colors in the same outfit. So, why not wash it all at the same time? If you ask me, it makes perfect sense.
No, I am definitely not asking you. But now I understand exactly how you turned all your white shirts pink.
Yeah, nice, right? Pink is a strong color.
Not when it's the result of a laundry disaster by the name of Jake. And of course, there are dishes. You wash them by hand or put them in the dishwasher.
Dishwashers are magical. You put in dirty dishes and they come out clean.
But don't forget to put the soap packet in there before you start the machine.
Huh?
Yep, I forgot to do that one time, and all it did was give my dishes a light rinse. Definitely not as clean as usual.
Wait, you actually have to put soap in the dishwasher in addition to turning it on? I take it back. Dishwashers aren't so magical after all.
Anyway. Let's review some useful English phrases we used in our conversation today.
First, vacuum, a machine that cleans the floor by sucking up dirt.
Second, wipe down, to clean a surface using a cloth or a paper towel.
Third, detergent, the soap you use for laundry.
Fourth, dishwasher, a machine that washes your dishes for you.
And fifth, chores, the tasks you do on a regular basis to keep your home clean.
Repeat after me. I have to wash the dishes.
I have to wash the dishes.
Now try, I'm doing laundry today.
I'm doing laundry today.
And finally, I need to clean my room.
I need to clean my room.
Yes, you certainly do. And don't even ask. because I want nothing to do with that. Today, we talked about household chores: cleaning, cooking, laundry, and dishes.
And we learned useful words like vacuum, wipe down, detergent, dishwasher, and chores.
Nice job following along. Now you can talk about your household chores in clear, natural English.
And remember, always check your vacuum to make sure it's not set on attack mode.
Especially if your name is Jake.
Very funny.
Thanks for listening,
Keep practicing your English. You're getting better every time.
and we'll see you in the next episode.
In the meantime, dishwashers are not magical. They don't even work right unless you add soap.
Oh, Jake. What are we going to do with you?